I just wanted to take a moment and record this video for you on our final day of registration for the Kill Your Stress Eating and Snacking Habit workshop at 50% off this year. It has been a crazy week and I've had so many emails and private messages from people with questions about the workshop, wanting to get into the workshop. And a lot of people feel like this is the right next step for them, but they just feel unsure. Many tried so many things before, they just feel scared, and I understand. I just want to share a few of the things that I've been talking about in conversations with other people in case it's helpful for you. Let's be honest. When it comes to weight gain, it's never one thing that's causing it. Weight gain is very multifaceted. The root cause is a combination of slow metabolism, big time inflammation, hormonal imbalance, eating habits, stress, and emotional trauma. Very often we think that the solution for weight loss is to focus on what to eat. And having so many clean eating resources, we don't understand why it is so hard to stay on track, okay? And the reason why you haven't solved your weight gain problem is very simple. You might be overeating without noticing it. If every time you get stressed, you go for a snack before you even realize it, if you are not in total control of what and how much you eat, you will continue to gain weight. If you eat when you are not physically hungry, but because you feel anxious, upset, worried, tired, that you deserve a treat, or you eat simply because you are tempted by food. The worst part is that overeating happens so fast that you often don't understand that you overate, okay? And when food is in control of you, no matter how many times you go on a diet or a fast, once you lose control over food, the weight returns with vengeance, and that's a losing game. That's why I'm going to teach you one of the most powerful tools that stops stress eating before it starts, to help you transform the way you eat every day so that you lose weight permanently. And I developed this framework after overcoming my own overeating and working with numerous clients. And I know what works. When you get this framework, you will be able to manage cravings, stress, tricky situations, restaurants, parties, travel, and control your food and weight without effort. If you just use a meal plan, diet, or intermittent fasting, it's a band-aid approach that lets you lose weight just for several weeks, creating the vicious yo-yo dieting cycle. So if you start with addressing the overeating habits first, then the meal plan will start working for you, or diet or intermittent fasting. This workshop was created from a very unique perspective. We have this beautiful marriage of science-based tools, neuroscience, neurochemistry-based habits, and cravings, so that really speaks to the emotional piece of this puzzle. Why do we mindlessly eat? Why do we eat when we are bored? Why do we have all these relationships with food? We have to bring this together so that we can address that overeating root cause first. Trying to use your willpower against overeating habits is like trying to put a band-aid on top of a sliver without taking the sliver out. We have to take the sliver out. We got to get to the root cause, and we do that by using science-based tools so that consistent healthy eating becomes so much easier, almost automatic. Breaking overeating is a 1-minute technique. Over 1,000 women all over the world use this technique to regain freedom from food. There are 4 elements to this technique, and it's much longer to explain it than to use it once you try it. That's why I created a 2-hour Kill Stress Eating and Snacking workshop where I teach this 1-minute technique to end the overeating cycle anytime, anywhere, so that you can lose weight without gaining it, or having to be on a strict diet all your life. When you sign up for this workshop, you'll be able to implement this 1-minute technique live. You will get the recordings of the workshop, the workbook, the complete and emotional eating framework, the only 3 habits you need to install to lose weight, my half and half clean eating method, Q&A with me, and 2 bonuses. One is 15 main courses, course recipes you can make in 15 minutes or less, and the other is the energy boosting breakfast for busy mornings. And you can get this for just $27, and the overall value is over $600. Imagine, beat cravings even for your favorite foods. No desire to binge tonight and have more energy for an important meeting tomorrow. Stop eating your emotions and sabotaging your results. Stop wasting money on too much food and become a great example for people around you, for your kids. Click on the link to sign for the workshop and I will see you there.